Hello everyone! Today I'm going to draw a picture of a dog. First I'm drawing its ears. This is the face. The dog has beautiful eyes. Wow! Here is the nose and the mouth. Now I'm going to draw its body. It is wearing a collar in its neck. I like dog as a pet. Do you like it? It is very faithful animal. It has a small tail. There's a beautiful design on it. Let's draw its another ear. Here I am drawing dog food. It is the pot. The dog is eating its food. Let's add some magic by drawing beautiful colors. This is yellow color. Red color. Its collar is also of red color. Pink color. Yellow color. Orange color. This is going to be a colorful drawing. Are you enjoying it? Let's try to draw with me. It is very easy. Yellow color. Yellow for the dog food. The pot is of green color. Let's color it light green. It's ready. Hope you like it.